Hey, what's up YouTube? This is an Anker 7-in-1 docking station I got from Amazon. It feels pretty nice, looks well packed in its packing or carton, if I would like to say. It says Power Expand 7-in-1 USB PD media hub. It supports up to 100 watts type C charging, which means if you have a 100 watts charging brick, you can get up to 85 watts to your laptop while having the extra port for other connections like HDMI, micro SD card or an SD card slot, and other ports that are available on this 7-in-1 awesome dongle, I must say. So I got this on Amazon used like new for bargain price, which I'll put in the video for you guys so you guys can check it out. You know, I always advocate for buying Amazon used like new or renewed, because you save some money and you're basically getting a new product, which I'm still going to prove to you by unboxing this Anker docking station. Okay, that's done. See guys, I told you, it's brand new. It's literally not used. Like, I don't think anybody has ever touched this thing. Like, it looks and feels brand new. This is the product information and manual for how it works. Please guys, just save some money and go with Amazon used like new. Believe me, you are not missing out on anything. There's manual on how it works. Happy, not happy. I hope I'll be happy. Okay. On the side of the box is a little carrying case for the dongle. Nice of them to include this in the box. So wow, I must say this feels quite good. As I said before, it's literally brand new, like it has not been used. There's an HDMI port, it comes with an HDMI port, micro SD card slot, standard SD card slot, USB PD in. This is the power delivery in port, and it goes in here to your laptop to charge your laptop. And this is a regular USB-C ports up to 5 gigabits per second, then 2 USB 3.2 ports, USB-A that also supports 5 gigabits per second, and wow, the bottom material is plastic, but the top is made from some kind of metal. The connected cable feels pretty well built. Seems it's gonna last a really long time, and I have to say it's amazing. It's, considering what I paid for it, I think it's a really good buy. I'm gonna enjoy using this for the coming future. Let's peel this off. These ports do not support charging, and the brick might get warm when it's connected to a power delivery box or a charger. I'm going to try and see if I can connect this to my laptop using a 100 watts charger to see if it can pass through charging as it says. For this testing, I'll be using my NECTEC 100 watts Type-C charger to check the power delivery capability of this Anker 7-in-1 USB-C hub. So I'm going to connect this to my charger. As you can see, it's on. I'm going to plug it right here. Okay. Now bring in my Lenovo Legion 5. So I'm going to connect the end of the Anker this way, connect this to the PD port, then I'm going to connect you to PD in port, and let's see what happens. As you can see, the indicator light here is on, which tells you that it's connected to power, and as you can also see, my laptop is charging. Let me bring it up to the camera a little bit. As you can see, it's charging. So yes, it does support pass-through charging, as you can see, which is pretty great. So you can charge your laptop at the same time, connect an HDMI port to an external display, SD card slots, and also sync data through these ports on this other side, which is just pretty fantastic while charging your laptop. It's pretty awesome. And I think if you're a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air user that comes with two USB-C Thunderbolt ports, I think this dongle is something you should get, and it should really make your life a lot easier. For those of you wondering, this was a USB-C hub that my US initially classified as a power bank. So I'm glad everything's all sorted now and it's here with me. I'm glad everything works now, and I'm really happy that, because I made up my mind that I'm just gonna let this perish over there. But thank God it came out and it was all sorted out and everything works great. So thanks guys for watching this unboxing of the Anker 7-in-1 docking station. So this is Quick Tech Take. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Have a good one. Bye.